We got more strong storms today. About 15 to 20 minutes ago, it was about 80 to 85 degrees, and now it is about 70, 75 degrees. So the temperatures have absolutely tanked. Out between those two rooftops about 20 minutes ago, along that line, it was pitch black, basically. And NOAA is calling for severe thunderstorms all day. Well, for the rest of the day at least. It's about noon right now, somewhere in that range. So it's gonna be a pretty rough day. Oh, shoot, don't do that. This is gonna be a fun one. I'll probably upload a few videos today, depending on the weather. If it starts getting real bad, then I'll come back out here and record some more and upload a longer format video. But right now, it's just rain, a lot of distant thunder, a couple of streaks of lightning here and there. So until we get something more or something like that, I'm gonna be cutting the video here in a few minutes. Or I might not even have to. I might be able to just sit here and continue, and the storm will actively keep intensifying, which would be actually kind of nice. So, also, the camera is making these clouds seem a lot darker than they are. I can tell just by looking at the camera. But they aren't actually that dark yet. At least not right now. They're kind of somewhere between... Well, honestly, I don't really know how to describe them, but I can tell you that they're not the darkest cloud, the darkest storm clouds I've ever seen. Rain is starting to pick up. That's to be expected. Thunder is beginning to intensify. So the storms are coming from the south and going north. So these storms are coming off of the Gulf. There's a little bit of lightning there. Bit of thunder. I'm actually going to grab my jacket real quick to keep some of the spray off of me. And I am back with the jacket on so that I don't get soaked by spray. I'm sorry if my microphone isn't picking this up very well, but this is actually the thunder sounds actually pretty fucking wicked right now. Whoa! I just got that on camera. I just got that on camera. Yeah, I'm definitely not going down on the landing now. I'm gonna stay right here. Spring storms brings, well, I don't remember the saying, but I'm just gonna say spring storms bring summer flowers, so. This is the second strong storm in about a week. Second strong storm in about a week, everyone. That was a good one. Probably gonna cut this at about the 10 to 12 minute mark. And then I'll upload it, and then from there I will probably get back to recording depending on situation. Wouldn't surprise me if this is a severe warm storm. The sky is considerably brighter than what the screen is showing right now. I'm gonna step down to the landing, just see if I can spot where exactly the cell has moved to. Coming from the rain and all that's coming from the south, going to the north. Probably should get back upstairs. The rain has definitely picked up some, but not a whole lot. But yeah, well, yeah, folks, I'm gonna cut the video here, get this uploaded, and I'll probably record a part 2. So I'll see you guys then. Peace out.